Today, we're diving deep into chili cultivation. Chilies, or capsicum fruitescens, are a super important crop. You know, the kind we use every day as a vegetable and a spice. Get ready to see a yield boost of up to 20% by implementing this package of practices. This is a crop that's often cross-pollinated, sometimes up to 36%. And chilies aren't just for adding spice to your food, they're also a high-value crop. Hot peppers, for example, are pungent because of capsaicin, that crystalline alkaloid. They are located mainly in the placenta of the fruit. Because of this, they're cultivated for vegetables, spices, and even pickles. And, this is important, chilies have potential as a foreign exchange earner. Plus, they are a rich source of vitamin A and vitamin C. When choosing your land, there aren't specific requirements based on previous crops, but keep this in mind. The land should be free from volunteer plants. This is crucial. More importantly, avoid areas affected by wilt or root rot, okay? Crop rotation is a must. It helps avoid those endemic solanaceous pests that can wipe out your chili crop. Selecting the right variety is key. For varieties, you have options like K.1, K.2, K.3, Ku.1, Ku.2, PKM.1, MDU.1, and Bhagyalakshmi. If you're looking at hybrids, consider KT.1, also known as Pusa Deepti. Other good options include Solar Hybrid 1, Solar Hybrid 2, Early Bounty, Indira, Lario, Hira, and Bharat. Also Utkal Rashmi, Utkal Ava, Utkal Ragini, NP46A, Pusa Jwala, Pant C1, Pusa Sadabahar. Let's talk about planting time and spacing. In South India, plant mainly as a Kharif season crop, from June to October. In the northern Indian plains, you can sow in December for a February transplant, or in May to June for a June to July transplant. Seedlings are ready for transplanting when they reach 15 centimeters in height and have 4 leaves, usually in 4 to 6 weeks. Ideal spacing is either 45 times 45 centimeters or 60 times 45 centimeters. For Utkal variety, use 50 centimeters by 30 centimeters. Manure and fertilizer are crucial for a good yield. Apply farmyard manure at 250 quintals per hectare. Then, add nitrogen at 75 kilograms per hectare, phosphorus at 60 to 75 kilograms per hectare, and potassium at 50 kilograms per hectare. Put the full dose of farmyard manure, phosphorus, and potassium, and half of the nitrogen at transplanting. Top dress the remaining nitrogen in 2 equal parts, 1 month apart. Also for Utkal variety, apply 125, 50:100 kg N, P2O5, K2O per hectare. For drying your chilies, consider barn drying. You can load 10 to 12 quintals of ripened chili in existing tobacco barns. To convert the barn, add ghee trays on the tiers. Use galvanized iron wire mesh trays of size 105x75x 7.5 cm. You'll need about 100 to 120 trays. Drying time to reduce moisture from 75 to 9% varies. Hybrid chili needs about 50 hours, while other varieties need about 40 hours. For seed rate, use 500 grams to 1 kilogram per hectare for varieties. If you are planting hybrids, you will require 200 grams of female seeds. For Utkal Rashmi, Utkal Ava, Utkal Ragini, NP46A, Pusa Jwala, Pant C1, Pusa Sadabahar, use 750 grams per hectare. It's very important to treat the seeds with T-Ram at 3 grams per kilogram of seed. This will protect against early diseases. Timing is everything. For the Utkal variety, raise your nursery in the first week of June. Transplant the seedlings at the end of June or in the second week of July. Don't plant chili after chili. Avoid monoculture. Use crop rotation for healthy plants and to prevent the buildup of pests and diseases. Crop rotation is very important to avoid endemic solanaceous pests and diseases. Consider rotating with non-solanaceous crops to break the cycle. One common mistake farmers make is not controlling whiteflies. Whiteflies transmit viruses that cause leaf curl, where leaves curl towards the midrib and become deformed. Stunted plant growth is also a sign. Flower buds might fall off, and anthers might not contain pollen. Apply Carbofurum 3G at 4 to 5 kilograms acre in the main field to control sucking complex and insect vectors selectively. If it is not possible, spray the crop with systemic insecticides like monocrotophos 1.5 ml or dimethoate 2 ml of acephate 1 gram. Finally, let's talk about yields. You can expect an average yield of 10 to 12 tons per hectare for green chilies. If you are aiming for dry chilies, expect 1.5 to 2.0 tons per hectare. Please like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to the AgriPlus channel.